In this video, we are going to show you how to install your SoloCam S340. Step 1. Prepare. Accessories for SoloCam S340 installation can be found in the box. You may also need a number 2 or number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, an electric drill. Step 2. Choose your installation location. Select a location where you can achieve the desired view. We recommend mounting the camera 7 to 10 feet, or 2 to 3 meters, above the ground. Select a solar panel location. Option 1. Mount the camera and the solar panel separately. Step 3. Install your SoloCam S340. 1. Drill holes with a 15/64 of an inch or 5.95 millimeters drill bit using the provided positioning card for alignment, then insert the anchors into the holes. Cover the label correctly. 2. Connect the solar panel to the camera using the provided USB-C extension cable. 3. Firmly secure the camera onto the mounting bracket. Ensure the camera is installed correctly. Avoid installing in the following incorrect ways. 4. Install the mounting bracket of the solar panel in a suitable position. 5. Install the solar panel onto its mounting bracket by screwing it in. Adjust the angle. We typically recommend between 20 and 30 degrees. Select a solar panel installation location. Option 2. Mount the camera and solar panel together. 1. Secure the solar panel's mounting bracket to the top of the camera. 2. Install the solar panel onto its mounting bracket by screwing it in. 3. Connect the USB-C connector to the USB-C port at the rear of the camera. 4. Drill holes with a 15/64 of an inch or 5.95 millimeters drill bit using the provided positioning card for alignment, then insert the anchors into the holes. 5. Firmly secure the camera onto the mounting bracket. Adjust the angle. We typically recommend between 20 and 30 degrees.